Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best seat post racks available on the market, the Lumintrail Bike Commuter Carrier Rack. Whether you're a daily commuter or enjoy leisurely rides, having a reliable bike rack is crucial for carrying your essentials. Let's see why this rack stands out from the rest. The Lumintrail rack is designed for convenience and durability. It's made from strong, lightweight anodized aluminum with a protective powder-coated finish, ensuring it can handle up to 20 pounds of cargo. Perfect for attaching trunk bags or baskets securely, it offers a lower center of gravity for stable riding even with heavier loads. Installing the rack is a breeze, thanks to its adjustable quick-release clamp that fits seat post diameters ranging from 0.85 to 1.3 inches. This means compatibility with a wide range of bicycles without hassle. Now, let's talk about its features. The rack includes a handy elastic cord that helps secure your gear in place, ensuring everything stays put during your ride. It also comes with rubber shims, spacers for a snug fit and added stability. What sets the Lumintrail apart is its balance of strength and weight. It's robust enough to carry your essentials without weighing your bike down unnecessarily. The design not only enhances your bike's functionality but also its aesthetics, blending seamlessly with different bike styles. I've been using this rack for now, and it's been a game changer for my daily commute. Whether I'm carrying groceries, gym gear, or even a small backpack, I can rely on the Lumintrail rack to keep everything secure and stable. Compared to similar products on the market, the Lumintrail rack stands out for its ease of use and build quality. While other racks might struggle with durability or installation, this one ticks all the boxes without breaking the bank. In conclusion, if you're looking for a dependable seat post-mounted bike rack that offers strength, durability, and ease of use, the Lumintrail Bike Commuter Carrier Rack is an excellent choice. It's designed to enhance your cycling experience by making it easier to carry your essentials wherever your bike takes you. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of the products you love. Thanks for watching, and ride safe out there.